Running a service always means dealing with someone else's data. It's like looking into windows of an apartment building. What you see could be mundane, sensitive, strictly confidential, or, depending on the industry, downright embarrassing. While building your business, you should focus on data privacy early on, so you wouldn't discover that the construction you've established has too many openings to count at the most inconvenient moment. What you need are privacy-enhancing technologies, or PETs for short, tools for preventing leaks and balancing data privacy with usability. Some of the PETs prevent identifying the data owners from the collected data. Others avert data breaches by cryptographic protection, even during processing. Finally, there are technologies to remotely audit the service and check that it processes data only for the allowed purpose. This reduces the chance of data leaks. Even if you have all the data and know everything you can learn from it, it's still hard to build the service to be private by design. We can help you launch new privacy-honoring services easily. As specialists with more than 20 years of experience in developing security and privacy technologies, we make sure you'll meet privacy requirements and stand out among the competition by safeguarding the data your users put in your hands. Contact us on cyber.ee/privacy.